In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into your eBay account efficiently, ensuring a smooth and seamless process. Whether you're revisiting your favorite listings or checking out your recent purchases, staying logged in makes everything easier. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through this process. First, begin by heading to the eBay homepage. Here, you'll find a vast array of categories displayed, from electronics to fashion and collectibles to cars. This homepage is your gateway to thousands of products, so it's always a good idea to navigate directly from here. If you're not already a regular visitor, I recommend bookmarking this page for quick access in the future. Now, once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, which is typically at the top right corner. Clicking on it will redirect you to eBay's secure sign-in page. It's important to make sure you're at the correct URL to avoid any potential phishing attempts. On the sign-in page, you'll need to enter your email address or username. If you're on a personal device, many browsers offer to save your login details for autofill, but ensure you only do this on devices you trust. It's now time to type in your password. Remember, it's crucial to keep your password secure and unique. Consider using a password manager if you find it difficult to remember it. It helps in creating complex passwords without the hassle of memory. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button to proceed. If everything matches, you're nearly there. However, eBay might prompt you with some additional security checks to verify your identity, especially if you're signing in from a new device or location. If they offer two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to enable it for enhanced security. This feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account, making it much more secure. In some cases, you might see an option to skip security settings or prompts about updating account security details. For now, you can click Skip for now, although it's advisable to complete such prompts at a later time for your account safety. With these steps done, you're now successfully signed in. You can access your profile, check recent activities, and continue with your day-to-day eBay activities. As a quick tip, always sign out if you're using a shared or public device to keep your account secure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to signing into your eBay account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, making your shopping experience on eBay a breeze. Happy shopping!